Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use APA Format 7th edition in Word. First, let's set up your document correctly. Begin by setting 1-inch margins on all sides. Select a professional font such as Times New Roman, size 12, or Calibri, size 11. Remember to double space your entire paper, from the title page through the reference list. Also, include a running head and page numbers for proper academic presentation. Now, let's format your text and headings according to APA guidelines. All text should be left aligned, creating a ragged right margin. Indent the first line of every new paragraph by 1/2 inch. APA style uses 5 heading levels to structure your paper effectively. For example, a level 1 heading is centered, bolded, and uses title case for its text. Next, we'll cover in-text citations and your reference list. It's crucial to cite every piece of information you use from other sources. Use the author date format for both parenthetical and narrative citations. At the end of your paper, create a dedicated references page. Ensure all entries are alphabetized by the author's last name and use a hanging indent of 1/2 inch for each entry. Finally, let's discuss some important final review steps and tips. Always proofread your entire document meticulously for any grammatical or spelling errors. Double-check for consistent formatting across all sections of your paper. Confirm that every source cited within your text is also present in your reference list. Lastly, ensure your title page and abstract adhere to all APA 7th edition requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.